mix cookie batter and just put it on the cookie sheet. And do like little balls, I guess, like this big. Make sure your hands are clean. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you not six, I meant 4 because I ran out of time. Kid-friendly or toddler-friendly breakfast ideas that you can use in the morning. They're all very easy to make. They're freezer friendly and you can make ahead of time. I also did want to mention that all of these meals are egg free. My son does not eat eggs. He does have dairy now, just cheese, but I'm trying to limit that now because I've noticed that ever since he started eating it, he would break out in his eczema places where he used to break out a lot. So for example, his elbows, he started breaking out. So I am limiting cheese as much as I can. I'm not like a sergeant mom, so I don't mind if he has it once in a while. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified because I post videos every Tuesday and Friday all about motherhood and lifestyle. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. The first meal is going to be breakfast cookies. All you need is 4 ingredients. You can use raisins, or what I use is dried up blueberries, ripe bananas. You need 2 of those, 1 cup of oatmeal, and then any type of nut butter that you like, but you would need 2 tablespoons of it. I use almond butter. Now I realized I did not have a parchment paper, so what I did is I just greased it with a little bit of butter, and I just literally grabbed the butter and went like that. Mix cookie batter and just put it on the cookie sheet. And do like little balls, I guess, like this big. Make sure your hands are clean. So my batch made enough for about 8 cookies. Again, it will vary depending on how big or small you make them. I will give my son about 2 of these for breakfast along with some fruit. Make sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and you're going to put the cookies in there for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how crunchy or how soft you want them. Okay guys, our cookies are ready. As you can tell, I actually let them cook for about 20 minutes because after 15 minutes they still felt a little bit too soft for me. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna make is breakfast burritos. These are great to throw in the freezer, and this has no egg. Again, you can substitute anything that you want or add any veggies or substitute the type of sausage that you want according to your kids' likes. What we're gonna use is we're gonna use some apple sausage that's already chopped up, 2 of those, some spinach, and we're also gonna use some small potatoes. I used 2 potatoes and some peppers. I used about half sweet pepper, it's the orange one. So the first thing you want to do is heat up your pan. I put it at medium high to medium and drizzled it with some olive oil. Then I threw in the potatoes and the peppers to saute them to a golden color. Now that the potatoes and the peppers are gold and a little crisp, they're soft in the inside, the potatoes are, we're gonna throw some spinach and the sausage. So as you can see, our breakfast burritos filling is done. This was the apple sausage, the potato, the spinach, and the bell peppers, which I seasoned with a little bit of everyday seasoning. These are the wraps I'm using. I ran out of almond flour wraps, which is usually what I would use, but these are also a good option. This is a spinach herb wrap, so a little bit more veggies in there. This batch made about 3 burritos, which will equal to 6 servings. Okay guys, so the next one is overnight oats. You can change up the overnight oats however you like. I add just a couple things just to spice it up a little bit. You will need some blueberries, some almond milk, some honey, some vanilla extract, cinnamon, and oatmeal. Okay, this next breakfast idea is loaded waffles and a green smoothie. Kashi or Vans are my favorite brands to buy already frozen waffles. These are vegan, so they don't have any eggs or dairy. For the smoothie, I added some almond milk, some wild blueberries, some banana, some spinach, barley grass, spirulina, and some vanilla extract, as well as some cinnamon. Again, if your child isn't familiar with the greens flavors, you can start slowly by just adding some spinach and just sparkling it with some barley grass and other supplements like the spirulina. They have great health benefits for them, so I highly suggest to introduce them slowly. And that is about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other ideas for meal prep ideas for kids in the morning, share them with me below. And as you can tell now, I have to clean up this huge mess because I always create a big mess when it comes to YouTube videos and filming. Bye, guys.